Alright, hello guys. Alright, hello guys. Today we're going to be playing ranking stuff that comes out of my microwave, part 3. Last time we did gummies and some random, like, tortilla thingies, I don't know. Today we have, Temu Pizza. I don't want it to explode, so, let's put a minute in. I'll let you know if anything exciting happens, like my microwave exploding, I don't know. I'm genuinely shocked my microwave has not exploded yet. I'm trying not to. Okay, let's see what monstrosity I create. For some reason it actually smells like pizza. I'm happy to eat this. Alright, time for the taste test. I'm gonna get like, oh, big piece. Oh! No way! That like actually tastes like pizza. Like I'm not lying to you. Um, 7 stars out of 10. I would definitely make this again.